Welcome back. You're watching ACIERO. I'm back again today with another unboxing. Today we're back and today it's all about storage. If you're someone who is a creative and you're always editing photos, videos, especially now 4K and 6K and 8K are in the house, so you have to think about how to store your footage or whatever material you're using. So the thing is, storage is very important because most of the time the computers we buy run out of storage. But what happens when you keep on buying all those small SSD drives? They keep on piling up and all of a sudden you run out of space of storing them, and you also get tired of buying more and more and more hard drives. But what's the best hard drive to buy? So I was searching around online and looked at so many reviews, and so many people had so many things to say on YouTube here. But I finally found an expert who advised me to buy the 2Big Dock from Lacie. So the thing is, this hard drive is not cheap. It's not cheap. And to show that it's not cheap, it also comes with all cables you might need. It has Thunderbolt ports, 2 Thunderbolt ports, and it has one USB-C 3.1, and both the Thunderbolt ports are 3.1. It has a card reader slot, and it has actually 3 card reader slots. It has a small one, it has a mini one, it has a bigger one. If you're using those big cameras, you can also put your big card in there. The thing is, it's good. It's very good. Because I was also surprised for most of you who buy iMacs and say, oh, but I don't know how to, I don't have a place where to put my card, I cannot read my card. Yeah, when you get the 2Big Dock, it has a place where you can put that card. Yeah, the only disadvantage maybe it has that the other ones don't have is that you have to plug in. It has to be plugged in for use. So if you're using it, it has to be plugged in. And the other thing is, the other disadvantage I think I found with this is it's noisy. So when you're editing, you have this noise going, like ventilation noise in the background. So it's not something you can ignore. So if you want really silence in your studio and you want to be able to focus, I don't think this dock is something for you. But if the one I bought is a 16 terabyte, because I didn't have a lot of money to buy like a 48 or 64 terabytes. So this costed me 959 euros. And yeah, it's available in many stores. And if you check online, you can find it. I bought mine at Coolblue. But the thing is, it's for Mac. It's for Mac and PC compatible. If you turn it on, if you plug it in and connect it to your Mac, immediately you switch on your Mac, it also switches on automatically. Immediately you turn off your Mac, it also shuts. It also shuts down. The noise stops. Am I satisfied with this? Yeah, for storage I am. Am I convinced that it can be better? Yeah, I'm convinced, because I think they could make something which is noise-free. Although it may be a little bit difficult with the technology, but in the future it may be. And I hope it doesn't become so expensive like the SSD cards. I've had also Samsung SSD cards which I bought. Those things are really fast and they're so small. And the other thing, you cannot carry this one. So it's too heavy. Yeah, this is just the box, but it's too heavy. It's not portable, so you have to buy it if you know you're going to be in a dedicated place where you're going to plug in your computer or your desktop and pair it, and then but connect it to something and then use it. But other than that, it's a fantastic equipment. 959 euros. Oh, on storage. People say YouTube is not expensive. They lied. YouTube is damn expensive. Video making is damn expensive. If you have this hobby like I do, you go broke. So, and I hope you like it, and I hope you've enjoyed, and just plug in that drive and start working and make more videos, make more footage, make more photos, make whatever you make more art and whatever you're storing. And see you soon, and that was it. Until next week.